Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by checking a couple of prerequisites. Make sure your carrier permits tethering and your phone has mobile data active. Now enable Bluetooth from Settings or the Quick Settings shade. This creates the radio link you'll share. Once Bluetooth is on, keep mobile data enabled so the phone can route internet traffic. Make sure battery saver is off. It can throttle tethering. You're ready to pair devices. Move to the next step to connect the client device to your phone. You'll pair the client device next. Open Bluetooth settings on both devices, make the client discoverable, then accept the pairing request. This establishes a trusted link. Once paired, go to Settings Network and Internet Hotspot and Tethering on your Android. Tap Bluetooth Tethering to enable it. You may need to confirm a prompt on the client device to use Internet over Bluetooth. This transfers IP and DNS through the phone, so the client starts routing traffic through your mobile data connection. Finish by testing the connection. Open a browser or an app on the client and load a page to confirm internet access. Once done, disable Bluetooth tethering and unpair if you don't need persistent access to save battery and data. If the client can't reach the internet, recheck mobile data, repair the devices, and restart both gadgets. This clears Bluetooth caches. Also, make sure your carrier doesn't block tethering. If issues persist, contact support or try USB or Wi-Fi hotspot as alternatives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.